There we go. Now we're on. Now we're live.
No, we are not live.
Oh, it's not live?
It's not live. It's only a video, taking a video.
I need to learn how to use this camera.
It's easy. We don't have background today.
Nah, it's alright. So they won't hear us talk? Yeah. I kind of want this camera now.
Not me, Shan.
Sorry. You can edit out. You can edit it.
Only the view and your face. Show your face. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
Ok, mitt navn er Sande. Jeg er 22 år fra Horten. Big man with the big fish.
Speak English. They don't understand Norwegian.
Ah,
Okay.
I am Sean Christopher Membrillo,
Oh,
big
yeah.
fish, from Horten, 22 years old, the big boss.
And then?
And then I am I'm the futuristic president of Asko.
Wish ko lang.
You will see Tomek.
Shout out to Mick. Shout out to Mas. Shout out to Tribu Payag.
Yeah.
Tribu Tuba. Country Road. Team Country Road. Team Premier. Hello. Team Davao. Team Sweet Corn. Hello.
Hello.
We're going to work now. Driving to work now. Hello. Good morning,
Good morning, Norway.
So, what can you say about love, Ishan?
Love.
While driving to work now.
Oh,
Tell about love.
love. Yeah.
How about your experience about
No, what I can say about love is it's
love is blind?
love is like a present.
Like a present?
Like a present. Yeah. I will explain why. Like,
It's like a gift?
yeah, like you never know what it is inside, you know?
Okay.
So it could be beautiful, it could be strange, it could be unusual,
Wow.
but it can only be a good-hearted, because when somebody is giving a gift to you, that's because they're giving their love.
Wow! Oh,
You get that?
beautiful.
Just like a gift, huh?
Okay.
What do you think about love?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
No, I don't experience love.
Oh.
I don't have love.
Er du klar for jobb I dag?
Yes. He's driving too slow.
It's really slow.
Oh my God. Okay.
Really slow. Look at this.
Overtake.
Overtake.
He's a young man, but driving too slow.
Better slow than too fast, huh?
Really. And then instigation, because Shan, he don't know about my instigation as well. Rejoice. Instigation is like you can stay per night. It's just like Airbnb kung familiar kayo niyan.
Okay.
Per night you have to pay per night. It's just like a hotel.
Oh.
Yeah, you have to pay per night. And the advantage for the instigation is you allowed to cook fully furnished. Everything is there.
Alright. So, but are you able to book for more than just one day?
Yeah.
Alright.
But it's not affordable to stay for a few months because it's very expensive.
It's very expensive,
It's
alright.
only for vacation.
Vacation. Luxury?
Yeah, Azar is a very nice place, amazing place. We have full wave white sand, yeah.
Oh,
Wi-Fi, cable, fully furnished.
Got everything in
complete
order.
amenities. The place is very accessible. Just beside is in Bikutan.
Mm-hmm.
It's in Bikutan, Paranaque.
Oh.
It's only 20 minutes from International Airport. So, guys, if you want to...
So where can you find this? This on Facebook or
On my Facebook page, Instigation,
vacation?
Azar Rejoice, and also
Rejoice.
from my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Yeah, and contact me.
Yeah. Yeah, please
Just contact me.
If you want a vacation, a perfect vacation in the Philippines, please contact.
Yeah. Man-made white sand beach.
Oh. Yeah, but to be just talking to a camera like this, you're pretty good at it. You know how to speak without like stopping. This is kind of my first time and I'm already choking.
It's okay.
All right.
Shoot the road. It's heavy raining today.
Oh.
Very bad.
Super bad weather.
But
So
it's
slippery.
dangerous to drive. My goodness. Wow, the guy is driving too fast behind me. So
Gotta stay safe.
yeah.
Be safe, guys. You never know who crazy people are on the road.
Okay. Overtake.
Yeah, now we're safe. Look at this weather.
Look at that. Oh, I'm scared to drive.
Can almost
I
not see
hate
anything.
this. Wow. I got you.
Whoa. Look at this view though. It was a nice. I don't think.
Because of the rain, heavy raining.
Yeah, it's really heavy raining.
Okay, anything you want to say? Show your hands or face.
What I want to say,
What can you say about Norway, anyway?
Norway. I could definitely say that Norway is a beautiful place. Even in winter time, the only problem with it is it's really cold, really cold. So use a jacket when you're here on the winter time. Yeah. What else? I don't know. What else is it to say about Norway?
The
the nature
is so fantastic.
It really is fantastic. If it is one place, should I recommend going in Norway? Where would you?
The world.
The end of the world.
Yeah.
In Larvik? This,
No, in Tjøme.
in Tjøme, yeah, in Tjøme.
Also the beach.
Oh,
Nice
the beach.
beaches in
Yeah.
Norway.
Yeah, it's really
Nature is
nice.
the best.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Yeah. But if you really want to see the nature in Norway, you probably should have gone north. North is where all the mountains are. It's where the nice lakes are and everything. So there's a lot you can
But
experience.
the north is very cold, even summertime.
Very cold. It can
So-
be about like in the winter time. If it's really cold, it can be up to almost 15 minus, maybe more.
Yeah.
But on the summertime, it usually are like, if it is a good day, it could be 30 degrees. I don't know how much that is in Celsius, but 30 degrees is pretty good to be here too.
Yeah.
So
You've been from Philippines, right?
no, but it's really different from Philippines because in the Philippines it's really hot, but the air is kind of feeling like it's so much moist, you know.
Yeah.
The air is really moist. So, but in Norway, the kind of sun is really sharp.
I almost lost. I drive straight, but then we drive too slow.
You gotta have a road trip.
You're talking too much. I don't know where to go. I almost lost. Show the Asko place.
Yeah.
Where you work.
I will show you the beautiful work.
Yeah, the
Where-
beautiful place.
Where I am going to be the vice president. The vice
CEO.
president. The CEO. I'm gonna be the small fish for the big fish. And we're already 11 minutes.
Yes.
Nice.
Beautiful. Wow, look at that. We're going to Asko. Shoot the building.
There we go.
There we go.
Here's the big one.
There's a big fish here.
Here's the big fish.
Plenty big fish here. Yeah. But we're late today.
We are a bit late, but
Sean is happy.
I am happy.
That's a very
Love this-
important.
I love this job. I love everything about this job. It's just this job is all about.
But don't tell me tomorrow you don't want to come again.
I was working for yesterday.
Should ask Sean.
I worked yesterday. I worked for maybe max 2 hours, and I was making all these sounds. Just and she started telling me like, what's wrong with you? Are you okay? Do you want to leave? Do you want to go home? Yeah, I think I will leave in 1 hour. What?
Should ask Sean. Should the place where you work here.
This is exactly where I'm working. There's a big parking lot too. A lot of cars.
Big parking lot, big fish. Yeah.
Big fishes.
Big fish is here.
And this place isn't even open yet. It's brand new.
It's brand new.
This building is brand new.
Wow, thank you. We have space for the charging.
Oh, look at us.
Look at that. I have to try.
Is this waterproof? Yeah.
Yes, waterproof.
So it can handle the rain. Look at this view though.
Let me check if I can do this. Check the back. That is a BMW.
Oh.
I don't want to pay. I don't want to pay the BMW. Is that BMW or Tesla?
No, that's a BMW. This is a Mercedes. It's like your trolley.
Oh my god.
It's just
It's from CEO.
BMW.
Okay, now maybe yes, maybe
You know
no.
what BMW stands for? I just gotta say it.
Okay.
Big money wasted.
Wow.
Not because it's an ugly car. It's a really beautiful car, but
It's very expensive.
it's very expensive indeed. Expensive
Where
indeed.
I am now, Sean.
Oh, look at this one. Oh, we got the good brand up in here. Hey.
You like Chanel?
Chanel.
Chanel. Okay.
You are really about it. I can tell. That rhymes.
You have to be careful there.
Yeah,
because,
I will be very careful. Thank you.
That's BMW.
BMW. No, it's the Mercedes.
Oh, Mercedes, my God.
Yeah.
Kita lang ang pobre ani. Sige pa.
This dude was watching me. Hello. All right. Welcome to the workplace. Look at this. Now you can maybe get a better view of how big this really is. Maybe I can show you a bit of better the view around here. I will just show the view, okay? Yeah. All right. Let's see. Huh. As you can see, the rain is kind of stopped already, so this is what I really wanted to show you guys. Look at this view. Damn. And as you can see, the weather is coming up now. This is what we drive from, and this is what we're waiting for. Beautiful. Beautiful. So maybe, as maybe you have seen before, up here is it's a really good view you can see from, and I think you have seen it before. I don't know even what I'm talking about.
Are you vlogging today?
Yeah, I'm kind of, yeah, this is kind of like a vlog, yeah.
Yeah, not me.
Showing the view and everything. It's a really beautiful place. Yeah. Can't complain about anything. Okay, I will show you this.
Oh, you're not there. Little people there.
Oh, really? All right, no problem.
I want to smoke first.
No problem. I got you guys. Look at this.
Kiyay?
No. Wasn't it like trash things here before? I wanted to throw this.
They move outside.
All right.
And there is here. Should have view.
No problem. So beautiful here. Really nice. Uh-huh. All right.
Right.
I think that's a goodbye.
Yeah, it's goodbye. You
It
need to
is.
work.
Gotta work.